in a very touch way. Oh snap. Okay, so then hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the doTERRA unboxing for February. I'm excited. It's Christmas in a box for the Valentine's Day month. And let's see what we got here. Alright, so flip it around here. There we go. Boom. Boom. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, we got the bubble wrap. Yes! Get it on and poppin'. Haha. Alright, that was way too much. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So I got the deodorant, the natural deodorant here, and this is the doTERRA Douglas Fir and Greek Orange Essential Oil Deodorant, and this is amazing. So this is for sensitive skin, so it doesn't irritate the skin. So you can see here, it's safe, non-toxic formula, baking soda free, aluminum free, paraben free, and there's no artificial fragrances. Very important for a deodorant. And when you pop it open, oh, there's a little sticker here. You gotta pull the tab. Whoop. Alright, and then let's see if we can pop it open now. Yeah, there we go. Mmm. Smells so good. It smells like orange and woods. There we go. Actually, I need to use some right now. I've been meaning to use because I ran out, so I'm just applying it under my armpits right now. This is my elbow. The elbow's up, and then get the other elbow up here. There it is. That's an elbow. Alright, I just applied some deodorant, and you can see it has been used. I've been waiting to use it. There it is. Right on the spot use. That's what I'm talking about. Next, we got some fractionated coconut oil. I did use some points this month to get some free products. I'll show you which products I did get for free in the description below so you can learn more about that. So yeah, the fractionated coconut oil helps reduce the chance of irritation with the essential oils. It also is a carrier oil. It moisturizes your skin, and it helps the essential oils go deeper into the skin by helping them not evaporate so quickly when they're used topically. So this is a topical solution for basically moisturization and reducing the chance of irritation. Love this. I use this after a shower and on my head and my body, and it's non-greasy too. That's also why I like it. It's just, it goes on smooth and then it disappears very quickly. Well, it absorbs into the skin, to be exact. There it is. Next we have the PB Assist Plus here, and let's see. Okay, so the TerraZymes are actually in a separate shipment. Okay, so they're shipping that out separate. I'm not sure what happened, but I did get a separate notification for that, so we'll cover that. But the PB Assist is the probiotics here, and you can see this is a probiotic defense formula, supports healthy digestive and immunity function. That's right. There is a number of beneficial microorganisms here, as well as a prebiotic which feeds them, and it's double encapsulated to make sure that it gets through the stomach acid layer into the small intestines. And the gut-brain axis is very important for, you know, just overall neurological function and brain function and helping you with sleep and so many other things that the gut helps you with. And it's important, namely in the digestive and immune system area, but there's a lot of other benefits. So you want to make sure that it's a 10-to-1 ratio of good guys, this stuff right here, to bad guys. And probiotics are great. You can also find them in sauerkraut, kimchi, some good stuff here. There you go. Next, let's talk about the protecting shampoo, and you may be like, Lance, you don't have any hair, what are you doing? This is for my body wash. I actually use this as a body wash, and because it comes in a pump bottle style here, you know, boop, there you go. I can just boop, 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 and it lathers really well. And I have a nylon cloth loofah, if you want to call it that, and it works great. That exfoliates my skin. This lathers well. This is made of natural ingredients, and it smells amazing. And it's like an aromatherapy experience in the shower every time. I look forward to showers. This is one reason why, because it's very experiential. It's awesome. All right, so we'll put that off to the side. Put that over there. And let's go with the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So this is my part of my supplement regimen, and this is part of 3 Amigos. This is the Alpha CRS Plus right here. Boom. This is the Cellular Vitality Complex. Whole bunch of awesome ingredients when the camera's not glaring too much. But yeah, you can see these are going to support the mitochondrial function, the cellular function to help you with energy, no caffeine, no sugar, and really amazing for your body. And there it is. This also has the Tummy Tamer blend right there. So this supports your digestion as well. So I take 2 of these in the morning, 2 of these in the early afternoon, and I have a capsule holder for this. So that's one of three. Two of three is the VE Omega. This is the essential oil omega complex with omegas 3, 6, and 9 to help balance those out. You can see the ingredients here. This is going to support your brain, muscle, and joint functions. There's also 9 different essential oils right here, which you can see. It has clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and chamomile. There it is. Oh yeah. And I take 2 of these in the morning and 2 of these in the early afternoon. And then we have, lastly, right over there, we have the Vegan Microplex VMZ. So this is a vitamin and mineral supplement made from whole foods to help with absorption. You've heard the saying, you are what you eat, but it's actually you are what you absorb. And so this is going to help you with the absorption. You can see all the ingredients here. Boom, boom, boom. And then at the bottom, well, there's enzymes, as well as a tummy tamer blend to support your digestion as well. So the tummy tamer blend has the caraway, the ginger, as well as the peppermint. There it is. 3 of 3, 2 in the morning, 2 in the early afternoon, to support my overall health and my cellular health and my body, to fill in the gap from what we're not getting in our foods, because our soils are so depleted due to the industrialized agricultural industry. And so even if you think you're eating healthy, it's important to supplement to, again, fill in any gaps from, you know, an apple 50 years ago is not the same as an apple today. So apples today have a lot of chemicals, or they're lacking the nutrients that they need. So very important to supplement. Next, let's continue. These are the oils now. Okay, we got this. Wild orange. This is one of my staples. I clean my hands with it. This is non-toxic. Citrus oil. Make sure to use with glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers when taking internally. Make sure to use sun protection if you're going out, and apply this as a part topical. I also, always recommend, if you're going to apply it topically, use a carrier oil first and then this. But overall, this is going to support your liver and kidneys, and it's very uplifting. It's called the happy oil because it produces a lot of happy emotions. That's right, one of my favorites. Next, we have lemon. Very similar. It's like wild orange's cousin, or they're both cousins. And this is going to be uplifting, cleansing to your organs of elimination. I use this to clean my hands. I put it in my green smoothies, waters, again, glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers. If you apply it topically, make sure to use a carrier oil, and like the fractionated coconut oil, and then make sure to use sun protection if you go outside. And so this is going to be very awesome. All right, next, some more oils. Lime. The other cousin. There's basically all the citrus oils are like cousins. And so this is going to be detoxifying as well. I love to put lemon and lime in my waters and smoothies, my green smoothies. Make sure to use a recipe so it turns out good. But yeah, lime is amazing and a great flavor overall. And you can tell you can take it internally because there's the supplement facts, and then doTERRA third-party tester oils to make sure the quality is top-notch and world-class. And I use this to clean my hands, clean surfaces, and as well as cleanse my organs of elimination too. So there we go. Lime time. Oh goodness. Okay, this is the peppermint, another staple. So I like to put a drop on the top of my hand, lick it off to freshen my breath. This also supports your digestion, mental alertness, focus. There's just so many benefits of peppermint. One of my faves. It's hard to pick a favorite, but they're all my favorites. And you can see the supplement facts on there because you can take it internally with doTERRA, and that is that. And then you can obviously see the batch number here. So if you go to sourcetoyou.com, this is for all the oils, and there we go. Go to look at the batch number, type that into sourcetoyou.com, and then you can get the information on that, the GCMS test results. So this is very important, a way to publicly verify the quality of doTERRA. So there you go. Next, we have ginger. You may be like, ginger, what do you... I apply this in a lot of like stir fries. Oh man, just, 1 drop is enough. Or I'll put it in Asian dishes. I make my own kimchi, so I put just a drop in there. Less is more. If that's too much, then you can just put a toothpick inside and then just swirl it around in whatever recipe. But ginger is great for supporting your digestion, and I love this oil. It's so flavorful, and it's so much more convenient because I don't have to chop any ginger roots or find them. It's just in this concentrated bottle, and I can use it when I need it for therapeutic benefits. So amazing, love it, love it, love it. Let's continue. Alright, so these are some of the products I got for free this month as a part of the specials. So this is the Rav Vent, oh hello, the Ravintsara. You see that? There it is. And this is going to support your respiratory system. But let's give it a smell here. It smells very much like eucalyptus. But yeah, it's open up my airways here. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Yep, I'm going to add this to I like to put it in diffusers, but you can also, put a little bit in your shower. So you can put some in your shower walls. Just be careful with certain oils because they can actually stain your shower walls over time. So be careful about that. But yeah, this is really, really good. Another great way to use these oils, which I actually do these a lot, is if you're not sure how to use it, besides the whole, maybe in the shower, instead of the shower walls, maybe put it like on the shower drain, because then when the water hits it, at least it's, benefiting the air. But I put a drop or two in the toilet water before I do number 2. And then when I do number 2, it doesn't smell as bad. It actually smells really good. It smells like the oil. So if you think about the oil in the toilet water first, and then you do your business, whether it's number 1 or number 2, then the bathroom, when you flush it, it produces a really good smell in the room. It's kind of like the poopery, but it's your own natural, simpler, cheaper poopery, and it's a way to use oils that you normally wouldn't use. And so, highly recommend doing that. I actually just keep oils by the toilet just for that. And so this would be one practical use for this, and it's supporting your respiratory system, which, when you go to the bathroom or somebody goes to the bathroom and doesn't smell well, that's negatively affecting your respiratory system, or at least your mood. But this can positively affect it in many different ways. Aromatherapy, and there you go. Lastly is the On Guard Touch. This is going to support your immune system in a very touch way. Oh snap. Okay, so then what you do is it's got a metal roller bottle, and it's already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil, which is going to reduce the chance of irritation, help the essential oils absorb better. And so yeah, this has the wild orange, it has the clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, as well as rosemary. Yes. So this is great whenever you may want to do it on your hands before you shake any hands or touch any surfaces when you go out. And now I have a protective barrier on my hands, and I can shake hands or touch doorknobs and handles with more confidence, right? More confidence is what you want so that you can support your immune system, because in a healthy immune system, nothing bad can harm you or survive. And so what we want to do is support our immune system and do that with natural solutions like this. And there's lots of other ones. I like to use Breathe as well. It's a good combo. But yeah, this is the roll-on, so it's easier to apply topically. My next step is to basically prep all the products so that they're use ready, so I reduce the barriers to use. That means opening them up like this. There we go. Removing the lids and plastics. Opening them up like that. And then putting the capsules and capsule holders, and just getting all the products ready and making sure they're put in their place, everything has a place, and that I make sure I'm getting ready to use them. I put all these products in places I can't help but see and use them, so that ensures that I get my money's worth, that ensures that I'm supporting my health on a monthly and daily basis, and then I make sure that I'm, what I did to get well, I'm doing to stay well, and then my quality of life keeps going up and up, or at least is maintained at a higher level, where my hand is, so you can't see it. And so that way I am, again, using the doTERRA LRP, or Loyalty Rewards Program, as a way to not just be reactionary, but be very proactive with my wellness, and that is going to be the key. So that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.